Hello again, guys. It's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and today we're demonstrating a modern internal conversion on a looks like a Cadillac unit sent in by Ernie's Trucking in Bridgewater, Massachusetts. Now, this radio has been set up for worldwide channel spacing as opposed to North American channel spacing. It'll still work fine over here. And this is out of a 76 Cadillac Eldorado. So let's go ahead and test her out. As I mentioned before, this is an internal conversion, so the unit's got a lot more output power. And so let's turn her on. And as usual, we're going to run it all the way down the FM dial. Make sure we pick up a few stations here.
That this would provoke the Russians.
That would be consistent with the way we view
Some of us.
I volunteer to read.
People.
So what are...
That's about 10 so far. I'm only counting the ones that come in clear, by the way.
Papa Murphy's presents
Pain, shoulder pain, hip pain.
Zing homemade clam chowder.
and it failed. I'm a 1039.
That's it.
But that's not all. There'll be
And I start to cry.
leading.
Think again. If
5390 online.
Body's paying.
Okay, that's right at about 30 clear FM stations. So let's switch it over to AM. I'm going to switch to my antenna that doesn't pick up quite as much hum from the power line on the AM band. Where did I put it? Ah, here it is. Here we are. Alrighty. Okay, over to AM.
Sold out. The tech blogs
One.
think that Trump...
2. Then we get one more around right about here.
Makes it beyond
There.
Get your projects done now before the holiday rush.
Okay, so I know there's nothing else on this side of the dial on AM, so let's go back to FM, and I'll demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions. Get a station that's got pretty decent activity on it.
Where you pay no sales
That looks pretty
tax.
good.
You can find us.
Okay, the fader control is defective on this radio, and of course Delco radios of this type don't have a front panel balance control, but now you have both left-right balance control and a front-rear fader control in this tone control. I'm going to demonstrate how to do that right now. I'm going to demonstrate the virtual front-rear fader. We're going to start by rotating our tone control to the center position so we've got room to turn it. Now to activate the virtual fader, we give our tone control 2 turns to the right. Let's switch to our output level meter so we can see the results of our adjustments. And I'm going to give this tone control 2 turns to the right. Here we go.
The next day,
Fader adjust.
Okay, fader adjust. And now the same control is adjusting your front rear speaker balance all the way front, all the way rear, front, rear. You can adjust it as long as you want. And when you stop adjusting it, it'll wait about 2 seconds and then
Fader set.
fader set. That lets you know that that setting has been saved, and now you can take your tone control back to where it was before. Now we're going to demonstrate the virtual left-right balance control. Same procedure, except we turn this control twice to the left. So here we go.
Balance adjust.
Okay, balance adjust, and now this control is adjusting our left-right speaker balance. All the way left, all the way right, left, right, and just like before, I'm going to center it, take my hand off the control, and
Balance set.
balance is set. Okay, so we've tested the AM-FM virtual balance and fader. Let's test the aux input real quick. I'm just going to feed a quick tone into it, make sure it automatically switches over and stays there. Okay, aux one side, aux other side. Okay, now I'm removing the aux signal, but you'll notice that it's not switching back to the radio. That's because if your aux signal has a quiet space between songs, without this delay, it would be constantly switching back and forth between the radio and the aux input during, between songs, during quiet music passages, stuff like that. So this is a circuit, and now the radio comes back by itself. And incidentally, if you don't like that delay, just turn the unit off, turn it right back on, and the radio will come back on immediately. Okay, last thing to check is the 8-track. We don't need these meters anymore, we've got Bonanza guitars on deck. I'm going to switch tracks a bunch of times. Now, Cadillacs only have a pull to eject. Pull that, and it pops the tape out for you so you can grab onto it. Okay, let's try a more familiar tape just so you can check the speed, make sure the speed's correct. Got some Temptations going in. This is between songs here, so we'll just wait for the next song to start. It's either going to switch tracks or it'll start the next song on that track. Okay, next song. Switch tracks. Okay, pull to eject. And that's it. Turn her off, and we know the dial light's working. And we'll just make sure that the dial light works with the radio off when you switch on your headlights. And there we go with that. So that's every single function has been tested and found to be in proper working order. So she's ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. If you have an 8-track player either for home or for car use in need of service, you can reach me at 928-533-9666. I can also add FM to a classic car AM radio. And if you also want Bluetooth, USB, aux input, and on some radios I can even double the number of FM station presets. So my website's in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time, guys.